Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Otter.ai for AI meeting notes workflows step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type Otter.ai and press enter. Once the Otter.ai homepage loads, look for the sign up button, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button. You'll be presented with options to register using your email, Google, or Apple account. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the designated field. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. If you opted for Google or Apple, click on the appropriate button and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize your account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, check your email for a verification message from Otter.ai. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Next, log into Otter.ai using your newly created account details. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the Otter dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface and its features. To set up your first meeting notes workflow, click on the New Conversation button. You can either upload an audio file or connect to a conference call platform like Zoom. If you're using Zoom, follow the integration prompts to link your Otter.ai account. Once connected, schedule a meeting and select Otter.ai as a participant or use the Otter Chrome extension if necessary. During your meeting, Otter.ai will automatically transcribe the conversation in real time. After the meeting concludes, return to your Otter.ai dashboard. Locate your recorded meeting under My Conversations. Click on the entry to view the transcribed notes and make any necessary edits. Utilize the search function to find specific topics within your notes easily. To share the notes, click on the Share button and enter the email addresses of those you'd like to invite. Adjust the sharing settings according to your preferences for collaboration. With your notes indexed and accessible, you're now ready to streamline your workflow. You can also explore the app's other features, such as highlights and summary generation. This completes the registration process and setting up for AI meeting notes workflows with Otter.ai. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.